Meme Factory is a platform for the creation, issuance, and exchange of provably rare digital memes on the Ethereum blockchain. By utilizing a token-curated registry called the Dank Registry, Meme Factory users create and submit original memes to a community-run list, where the token holders decide which memes make the cut. Before we begin, there are 3 novel components to Meme Factory we must first introduce. The Dank Registry, the incentivized voting game which controls which submissions and criteria enter the marketplace. Dank, the ERC20 token which powers the Dank Registry. And the meme marketplace, where memes can be bought, sold, and traded amongst users. The easiest way to explain how Meme Factory works is from the perspective of each kind of user: creators, curators, and collectors. It all starts with the creators who dream up and illustrate the memes that will end up in the marketplace. In order to do so, the creators must submit their meme and corresponding details, along with a deposit in Dank token, into the Dank Registry. Next up is the curators. Think of curators as the gatekeepers of the marketplace. They scan every submission and ultimately decide what memes are allowed in. Only Dank memes are awarded a spot in the marketplace. If a curator finds that a meme is inappropriate, unoriginal, or simply not Dank, the curator can initiate a challenge by matching the creator's Dank deposit, placing their Dank at risk, and kicking off a challenge period. Using Dank tokens, voters signal their Dank balance either in favor of or against the challenge. If the Dank holders vote to exclude the meme, the creator's deposit is lost and redistributed to the challenger and those who voted to exclude it from the registry. However, if a meme is voted into the registry, the challenger's deposit is lost and then redistributed to those who voted to include it. Once a meme has secured a spot in the Dank registry, the meme can be listed in the marketplace. So, who will buy the memes? This is where the collectors are introduced into the network. Using the initial price and total supply provided by the creator at submission, the meme is offered for sale and begins decaying down to a lower and lower price over time until the meme either sells out or the offering ends. During this time, any collector can purchase a meme using Ether. For any given meme that makes it through the Dank registry, there will only be a finite number issued. The existing memes can be traded and resold on a secondary market. These provably rare memes will exist indefinitely on the blockchain, giving a strong incentive to create and collect as many as possible. Meme Factory allows for the emergence of a true, decentralized digital collectibles marketplace, completely self-governed and functioning autonomously on the Ethereum blockchain.